Alrighty, folks. I'm here on the front porch, and real quick, let me zoom in. And, well, not zoom in, but butterfly. Anyway, I'm on the front porch, and we're just starting to move. We put a whole bunch of stuff in the front yard, which is quite big. But I wanted to show you, one of the things that we're going to have to work on is, that is not exactly what we had in mind when when we decided we wanted a lake kraken. This would be the... Oh, I hear more thunder too. There it is, more thunder. Not good. So, yes, these are the stairs down. And yeah, that's, I don't know if you can see, that's pretty deep. I mean, that's really deep. So, yes, lake kraken in the front yard. We're going to have to figure out something to do with drainage, but nonetheless, butterflies everywhere. And look, the angel's trumpet is blooming like crazy. But anywho, I am being summoned to the back porch where they are moving plants around. This is what we're going to rewild, that whole front area. It's going to be gorgeous. Gotta go. Bye.